Uh, Now we go to differentiation 2. So 14.1 derivative of exponential function. Exponential function e to the power of x. So the graph of exponential e to the power of x is something look like this. Okay, this is exponential. Okay, then the e will never zero. E to the power x will never zero. Okay, so if we have the exponential e to the power x, then the domain is the uh can be any value, but for the range is the y uh greater than zero, never equal to zero, exponent never zero. Okay, so we can check using our calculator. Let's say we have e to the power of 1, then it's e of 2.718281828. Actually, it is not a rational number. Okay, irrational number. We have square root 2 is irrational number, e is irrational number, pi also irrational number. E to the power 10, then it will become something very big already. Okay, if we have e to the power of 0, then it is 1. And if we have the e to the power of negative 1, then it will become 1 over e. It's a decimal place. Then we have the negative 10, then it's also something very small, but it will never become 0. It will approach to 0, but it will never become 0. Okay, so the graph for e to the power x is something look like this. Okay, then we want to find the differentiation for exponent function. So we have the ex, we differentiate ex, it will become ex. Okay, so we have differentiation for ex is equal to ex. The reason behind I will show in another video lah, when I'm free. Okay, so let's say we have the e to the power of a function of x, then we will still have the e to the power of function of x, and then multiply with the derivative of the function of f. Okay, more specific, we have e to the power ax plus b. Then we have the differentiate it, you will have the e to the power ax plus b. And then differentiate the ax plus b is a. So we multiply a in front. Okay, so for a, we have the y equal to e to the power x, 5x. Then the dy dx, okay, is equal to 5e power 5x. For b, we have the e to the power of x squared minus 3x. Then the dy dx is equal to 2x minus 3 e to the power of x squared minus 3x. Okay, so the 5x is here. Then we have the d by dx for 5x is actually 5. Yeah. Okay, then we have this. We have the d by dx for x squared minus 3x is actually 2x minus 3. Yeah. Okay, so next C we have this. Okay, then we want to find the differentiation for this one. We have y equal to this. Okay, this is uv. Okay, so we have the u and v. So the u is equal to x squared, the v is e to the power negative 3x. Then we have the u prime is 2x, and the v prime is negative 3e to the power negative 3x. Okay, so the dy dx, okay, if we have a uv, okay, uv, then the dy dx will be the uv prime plus vu prime. Okay, so we copy the in front, that is the x squared. Then we differentiate the behind, then that is the negative 3e to the power 3x. And then plus e to the power negative 3x. And then we have the 2x here. Okay, so we can factorize x e to the power negative 3x. Then what we have will be negative 3x plus 2. Okay, you can see that this and this factorize. And then x squared factorize. So the x squared here is actually x times x now. Okay, Then the next, the negative 3 is here and the 2 is here. So for D, we have the U over V. This is U over V. Okay, so the U is e to the power 2x, the V is x, then the U prime is 2e2x, then the V prime is 1. Okay, so the dy dx is vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. Okay, so the dy dx here, we copy the denominator, then we differentiate the nominator, minus, we copy up and then differentiate down, and then the one below, okay, square. So we have the x squared here. So we have the e to the power of 2x. We factorize 2x minus 1 and then over x squared. Okay, this one is the answer. We look at the work example 2. A curve have equation y equal to this. Find the value of dy dx. Okay, this one we have to use a change rule. Okay, so the dy dx, okay, will be phi e to the power 2x plus e to the power 3x power 4. And then we differentiate inside is 2e2x plus 3e3x. Okay, so this is the answer. Then we have the dy dx. When x equal to 0, then will be phi e power 0 plus e power 0 power 4, 2e power 0 plus 3e power 0. 2 times 0 is 0 lah. So I don't write the 2 times 0 lah, because this is a 0. But we need to know one thing, that the e power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. If you are not sure, you can check with your calculator. E to the power 0 is 1. Okay. So e to the power 0 is equal to 1. Then this is 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then it will become 5, 2 to the power 4, 3. Okay. Then we have the 240. Okay. So we have the 5 times 2 power 4 times 3. Okay. Then the answer times 3. Then the answer is 240. I did a mistake here. This one, okay, is 2 plus 3, not 2 plus 1. It is 5 here. Okay. So the answer will be multiplied with 5, 400. Okay.